Welcome to another weekly market update. It's Sunday, May the 7th, after the market close on Friday, May the 5th. Here's where we check in with what the market's doing long term as well as short term, because all this affects our trades. It doesn't matter how good or bad we think a stock is, what the stock market is doing, it's going to have the biggest effect on what happens to individual stocks a lot of the time, and that's why we look at this, as well as many other reasons such as pensions, and above all else just avoiding another 2008 or whatever. So let's look at the market here, and we see no danger as yet of another 2008, that's for sure. We're in a bullish mode. It's just a big long continuation of what started in 2009. This thing just keeps on trucking on higher, and we'll look at the weekly chart here for each of these little vertical bars here is 1 week of action, and where the horizontal peg goes across there, that's where the price it closed at, and then the fluctuation is the vertical bit, how it fluctuated during the week. And so as we see here, we could see this powerful upwards trend. Looked like it was turning round, and I was all ready for a correction, and once again the market fooled us. It just carries on to a brand new high and just looking more aggressive than ever. If I go into the daily chart here, we can see that brand new high here, and there's a kind of resistance line that was around 2395 on the S&P 500, and it's looks like it just broke above resistance on Friday, so bullish action. The only thing you could say bad about it was volume didn't exactly increase, but having said that, very hard to say anything other than the long-term trend is bullish and the short-term trend is bullish for now. That is still the theme. From a fundamental point of view, stocks are still ridiculously expensive, and they're pinning a lot of hopes on the so-called Trump reflation trade, which I don't really personally buy into. But the market, these charts we're looking at, is going to tell us when is the reality check going to slap the market around the face, and the answer to that question is not yet. Remember, the market can stay irrational a lot longer than you can stay solvent, and that's a case of what we got right now. So we wait and watch, and we just follow the chart, and right now the chart's going up. Speak to you next time.